Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, Market Analyst at Handtech Markets for Friday the 2nd of May. I'm going to look at cable now for sterling dollar, and the cable chart continues to push higher on the last couple of days. It's broken out from this slight consolidation band and it's moving higher. This is over the course of the last 8-9 months. However, what you would say is you've got this RSI now back up towards 70 mark, and that tends to be the case where over the last few months that induces a bit of a consolidation at the least, and generally more than likely a bit of a correction as well. So in the last, say for example, the last few times this happened, December, you saw a back up. That was December. You saw subsequently a 5-day decline there. Then in early January, a sharp move back down towards the lows, and also back in February, it induced the consolidation. So this move that we're seeing at the moment, although being strong, and yes, you could point towards what happened in September, which is where cable went on a big bull run higher for 3 weeks actually, and ultimately the RSI got to 82. That tends to have been a bit of an extreme situation, and at the moment you wouldn't say that necessarily that the rocket fuel is behind this move higher at the moment. This, I think you could be running the risk of a bit of a consolidation up at these levels on cable, so just bear that in mind. I think on the intraday chart you've got this this breakout that's formed a bit of a consolidation. The euro and euro dollar has formed that top pattern that we talked about previously, but the cable chart has not really made that top pattern quite yet. 68.60 seems to be a bit of a key level. It sort of almost corresponds to that 68.56 breakout high that we saw previously. So I think that is certainly the first support that you need to be concentrating on, and then you're back in towards this support band between 68 and 68.50. So I think that certainly if it were to break through 68.60, then you could see that the beginning of that consolidation or correction, as cable has pushed in towards that overbought territory on that daily chart. The intraday chart suggests that you've got these actually what you've got here is a slight bearish divergence actually on the RSI, where the peaks on the price are actually not corresponding to peaks on the RSI, and also the MACD lines are in decline. Stochastics have been sharply declining for the past few hours as well. So just be careful of that. That might suggest that there is a correction on the way. However, certainly I think this non-farm payrolls data that we could see today will have an impact on this chart. So it might just be that this is a consolidation in front of that payrolls report, but just bear in mind that the technicals are suggesting that this move, although it is positive and looking fairly strong, it could be that there is some sort of consolidation or correction on the way. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cables today around this payrolls number, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.